One of the greatest gaming franchise and also ongoing series is Pokemon. Catching, battling, and making all kinds of scurry. Wait a minute. Do y'all like anime? I like anime. Let's talk about anime. Let's talk about anime cliches. Better yet, let's talk about anime cliches no one talks about. I already know someone in the comments are gonna be like,
"Oh, but Malik, that's an anime cliche everyone talks about."
Just shut up and watch the video. Okay, yeah, maybe I do have some cliches that are talked about, but like, I did the best I can. Shut up. How can you even see? Like, what kind of training did you have to go through to perfect living with your eyes closed? These are the kind of characters who are always genuinely nice, secretly powerful, wise, bonus points if you're old, or psychotic. Like, imagine fighting this character and then mid-fight they decided to open their eyes. Not bad, but it's time to show you what true power is. So, I wanted to find the reason why anime characters have their eyes closed, and this is the best I could find. So they actually can see, apparently. It's just that their eyes are actually squinted and not closed. So they choose to live with blurry vision. This one. This happens a lot in any kind of romance or harem anime where the girl character would go up to the main character and she would do or say something that shows she likes him, but he wouldn't notice. And the best friend would notice. And he would say something like, "You're truly a lucky guy," or "I wish I was you, man." And then the best friend wouldn't tell him. If I was the best friend, I would be direct.
I see you have no lunch today. Well, I made too much lunch for myself, so you can have some of mine.
Oh my gosh, thank you. You're a real lifesaver. I wish I had someone like you to cook for me every day. This is the 4th time she's done this week. She definitely likes you. What? No way, she's just being nice. No. She comes into a class she is not in only to see you, makes you lunch purposely, waits for you to get out of school so y'all can walk home together, and she rejects every guy. Look at all those hints. So shut your dumb, crazy hair habit, window seat sitting, one of my parents are dead looking, I have secret powers in my blood, harem having, stupid ass, up. Oh my fucking God! These characters only eat sweets. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner is all sweets. And to be honest, I envy these characters because they never get fat or feel sluggish or get diagnosed with something. Some characters actually get their powers from it, and others will unleash a god-like power if you mess with their stash. Has anyone seen my last little snack cake?
Yeah, I think I saw our other roommate eat it.
Alright. Did you eat my last snack cake? What? Of course not. See, now I'm gonna have to beat your ass for lying and stealing.
Get over here!
No, bro, don't. I said, lady, bow, bro, mine. I said, I didn't do it. I told you this was the only rule. I'm getting in my ass down. House. Hadouken. And most characters like these all look like little kids. So like, can you imagine if anime was a little bit more realistic and your child has all these conditions because how they eat? I'm sorry, ma'am, but unfortunately, your child has diabetes, high blood pressure, cavities, type 1 diabetes, insomnia, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and worst of all, sugar AIDS. Anyway, these characters are lucky to be living the way they are with no consequences. That was 3 anime cliches no one talks about. Yup, no one on YouTube has ever talked about any of these 3 anime cliches. Because, you know, I did it. I did it first. If you see any other videos after this video, just know I started this. I did that.
To be honest, I had fun making this video. Y'all see how I added little skits in it? Of course I did. Y'all watched the video. Man, I apologize for not posting February. Like, this video did take me a while to make, and it was not my intentions to post it in March. But I feel like I'm doing a little bit better with this. Like, every time I start making a video, it just feels so satisfying to me. Like, I'm enjoying it. My uploading time is very trash, and I'm gonna try to do better on that. Also, I want to thank my homegirl for voicing 2 parts in the video. Thank you so much, very appreciated. Also, as I can say, I got a Twitter, so follow me on Twitter. I'm tweeting daily now about a lot of, you know, nerdy stuff and whatever geeky stuff, whatever I'm thinking about. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate this, and I will see y'all in the next video. Magnificent Military, the Magnificent One is out. Still so corny.